Hey YouTubers, Big Frank here. Hey, I haven't done a proper introduction to my laser engraving business yet, but I did want to touch today on a couple things that we're getting ready to start doing. We've already done a bunch of different things, but we're just starting to do drinkware. So tumblers, glassware, wine glasses, that sort of thing. And we just recently got a really nice piece of equipment that we'd like to show you that we're going to use to do our tumblers and our drinkware. So in the background you'll see our new laser, fairly new to us, and we're amassing some more things to use with the laser. It's worked out really well so far. We've had some pretty good luck with stuff. We've been selling stuff, and things are coming out really nice. So if there's something that you want, get a hold of me. Something that you need, trophies, awards, everything, beanies, hats, earrings, drinkware now, soon anyway, lots of things. So jewelry. So let us know. But today, what I want to do is touch on the rotary we got. It is called a Mansfield custom rotary, and it's made in the United States, made in Texas, by a company called Mansfield, and they're really super nice. It's the reason why I picked them. There's lots and lots of rotaries out there. These seem to be very well made. And I'm not a big unboxing guy. I never have been, but occasionally I'll do one. I'm just gonna open it, see what's in it, and show you guys today. And then later on we'll have, you know, quite a few more laser videos. The squirrels are actually, they're actually hibernating now, so we haven't done any squirrel hunting. So that's why I haven't had any videos out in the last little while. I do have some squirrel hunting video footage that I need to get edited. It's just, you know, it's Christmas time and everybody wants laser stuff, and so we're trying to get everybody settled for Christmas. As soon as I'm done here, I've got to go make some stuff before I can edit this, so this may not come out today. But the squirrels will be back, and we'll be doing squirrel hunting videos. As a matter of fact, we just picked up 2 or 3 new permissions. They're all orchards. They're all loaded. It's in one community, and that place is just loaded with squirrels. So we should have some good stuff coming up this next year. I've got a really good video coming. When I get some chance to do some editing, it's going to be a headshot only video. I just want to let you guys know that we haven't given up on the squirrel stuff. It's definitely stuff we do. It's just not this time of year. So hopefully we'll get some more laser videos out. We've got some fishing videos I think we're going to start doing, because we've been doing a little fishing since, you know, no squirrels. So I've got a little bit of footage, not much yet, but and maybe some sewing. I also do tactical sewing. You guys probably didn't know, but I do chest rigs, which you might have seen in our videos, some of our videos. I do shooting bags and that sort of thing. But today, none of that. Today is we're going to take a look at this really nice rotary, and kind of go over and let you see what it is, so you know what's going on and how it works. And then possibly some clips. I got to burn some stuff here just a little bit and put some stuff on some hats. So I don't know if that'll get in the video or not. But anyway, I just want to put something out there just to let you know we're not gone. And then pretty soon I'll have a proper video introducing our laser company, which is called Frank's Laser Creations. Wow, I'm trying to go too fast. Yeah, so it's all good. Stick with us. I'm going to hit the intro, and then we're going to get right into it. Thanks. Okay, here we go. The boring of usual unboxing. So just a quick aside, I picked this rotary over many others after looking at a whole bunch of different ones online, simply because, for one, it's custom made. Custom being, it's not super cookie cutter, built in China, made super quick with slave labor, but all made in Texas, USA, by a small company, and I'd always like to do that if I can. So that was one reason. The other reason was it looked very high quality, and we'll see here in a minute. Yeah, it was a little more money, but I think it's worth it. So let's take a look. So in the box with the packing, there's another box. Let's see what's in here. I believe, if I remember right, it's going to be a small, yes. So we'll get back to this. And more packing, packed real nice. More packing. And all right, here we go. Get this out of the way. More packing. Okay, so here we go. This is very nice, although it looks like it needs to do a little tightening, a little bit of tightening up. So there's two different models. You can get the end of the year stuff. You can get the model with the 3D printed ends on them, here and here. But I opted to spend a little bit more money and get the aluminum ones. Much more high quality, nice and heavy duty, very good looking stuff. So quality aluminum everywhere. Supposed to be a very good stepper motor. So looks heavy duty quality, nice, everything. Everything on it looks quality. So very adjustable up and down here for different tumblers. I think it's going to work out. So I'm not doing a very good job of keeping it in frame. Let me see if I can, sorry for the crazy wreck stuff, but anyway, there we go. So if you have a laser, get you up here. Talk to you here for a minute. So if you have a laser and you need a rotary, you might think about Mansfield Customs down in Texas. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. I'll know more how great it works. I've seen a mountain of videos, people using them, and they really love them. So we'll see how things go, but looks very good. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll get back to you. Thanks for stopping by. And please like and subscribe if you can. We're getting there. We're a little over 500 subscribers. We'd love to get to 1,000 here pretty soon, and that would help us get some more information or get some more stuff for videos. Everything that we get from this channel goes right back into the channel, and so you know, if we get any donations or we get I don't really do Patreon or anything like that, but we're hoping to get to 1,000, and then we'll at least make a little bit of cash back, and we can get some more stuff for the channel. So thanks for sticking with us. We'll see you again. Oh, I forgot, got a little ahead of myself. This deal here I was going to show you, it is actually the wheel that pinches the tumbler and keeps it from walking around on the rest of the on the wheels. So it is 3D printed. There are some 3D printed parts on here. The company that builds these also does 3D printing. So, and then it also came with a little little bubble level, so you can get your drinkware, tumblers and such, all level. So again, something I forgot to add to the video when I was talking about it. So again, thanks for stopping. Talk to you later.